I'm sure it was the thumbnail that made you to click on this video. Don't worry, that's exactly what you are going to watch on this video. Today we are making Nigerian luxury meat pie. Hello creative bangers, welcome back to another interesting one. So let's begin. In a preheated saucepan, drizzle some oil. I'm going to move in with the grounded beef. Start cooking till it is 100% cooked. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, or a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, once the beefs are thoroughly cooked, it is time to season with your choice of spices. I added freshly grated ginger, some salt, mixed spices, chili pepper and curry powder. Mix to combine very well. Now I move in with chopped Irish potato and chopped carrot. I added water to the same level of the beef, stir to combine very well. Taste and adjust for more salt and spices if necessary. I added some salt, stir to combine very well, cover and bring to a boil for about a minute. A minute later, at this point, you can move in with your slurry. Slurry simply means cornstarch dissolved with water, but I'm not going to be using slurry today. I'll be using cooked mashed Irish potato as my thickener, all right? Now, once you add it, go ahead and stir to combine very well. By the time you are done stirring, it will thicken immediately, like it thickens instantly, as you can see on the video. Now, I finish up with some spring onions, stir to combine very well again. You should have this yummy feeling. I'm loving it. Look at that. Oh my word. You are going to take it off the heat, transfer in another bowl. Allow to cool down completely. Emphasis on completely. Set it aside. Now let's mix the meat pie dough. But before that, I'm going to add 1 egg in a bowl and 1/3 of water. If you are not going to use egg, please use 120 or 100 milliliters of water. That is half cup of water. All right, because I'm adding egg, so egg is liquid already. That's why I'm using 1/3 of water. Now at this point you can add butterscotch or any liquid flavor of your choice. I added pineapple flavor. Mix and set it aside. In another bowl, start by sifting all purpose flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. I added some salt, milk powder, baking powder and cornstarch for extra flaky. If you are with me at this moment, type extra flaky at the comment section. Mix to combine very well. Move in with your cold margarine or butter, depending on the one that you are using. Even if yours is not cold, it doesn't matter. Beautiful shout out to you, Cheesy, watching from Nsukka, Enugu State, Nigeria. Rosie from Germany. Michelle from Guyana. Doris watching from Tanzania. And Aloysius all the way from Uganda. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Alright, I continue to mix till I come to a moldable texture just like this one. Now, this is where some people make mistake when mixing their meat pie dough. At this point, the meat pie is moldable, okay? Now, I'm moving with my liquid. Remember, if you are not using egg, go in with half cup of water like I mentioned earlier. Now, when it comes to meat pie dough, you don't mix, you don't knead, you bring the dough together, alright? Now, after mixing, you should have a crust dough. In a layman understanding, I call it breakable dough, as you can see on the video. Okay, now you can wrap it up and put in a refrigerator to chill for about 10 minutes. I divided my dough into 2 equal parts, wrapped with a film. I'm going to allow it to chill with the big boys for about 10 minutes in the refrigerator. Even if you don't have a refrigerator, allow the dough to rest for about 10 minutes, all right? 10 minutes later, voila, it is time to moving into action. I pick up one while the other one is still resting. Dust the work surface with some flour. Place the dough. It is time to roll. Now, let me say this. When you are rolling meat pie dough, you may be experiencing breakage. It doesn't matter. You're on the right track. All you have to do is to bring the dough together with your hands as you roll, okay? Now, after rolling, I'm going to shape the 4 corners of the dough. Remember, the thickness of your meat pie depends on you, all right? Now, I'm going to divide the dough into 4 equal parts. You can see the thickness of mine. Like I mentioned earlier, it all depends on you. Okay, it is time to bring in the magic. Do you have something like this at home? Do you? Is this a basket or a sieve? Somebody should help me with the right word at the comment section. Place one of the cut out dough. You are going to press the dough against the basket or the sieve, all right? Once that is done, go in and brush the 4 corners of the dough with a beaten egg. Now it is time to move in with the yummy filling. Look at that filling. Gently pull and cover. Do you love that shape? Do you? Okay, now you are going to seal with the tip of your finger. Then go ahead and cut the edges as demonstrated. Remember, you can always go for any shape of your choice. This is the shape that we are going for today. Look at that. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I love it. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. Arrange in a baking pan. Brush with a beaten egg. This is going to give it a shine at the end of the baking. It is time to bake. You can also air fry if you wish. Bake in a preheated oven for 40 minutes and there you have it. Our luxury meat pie is ready. Look at stretch marks all over the pie. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It came out so well. Can your pie ever be this flaky? Can your pie ever? Look at that. This is the work of the cornstarch. Yes, cornstarch contributed to it. Open it and this is what the inside looks like. Yummy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.